In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your game in Roblox Studio. First, open your game in Roblox Studio, and once your project loads, go to the Explorer panel on the right. So just click on Explorer and your Explorer should be visible. Now just go to the sound service and click on the plus icon, and from here select sound, or if it is not visible you can use the search bar and search for sound and just click on sound. And once you have added the sound, make sure to toggle on properties by clicking on properties like so. And under the properties tab, scroll down and you will see an option for sound ID. This is where you will add your music. Now just open your Roblox. I'm just gonna go with Chrome and search for Roblox and sign in with my account. And after you have signed in with your account, just go to the create tab on the top like so. And from here, just go to store at your left hand side. And as we wanted to add in music, we will just go to the audio tab from the list by just clicking on it. And from here, we can search for music. You can also add some filters, and I'm just gonna go with a random music. So I'll just go to trending music, and let's say I want to add this particular music. So I'll just click on it and I can preview it from here by just clicking on the plus icon like so. And after I have previewed it, I'll just right click on the song or music that I want to add and click on copy asset ID. Now just go to Roblox Studio and paste that ID into the sound ID field. So just click on sound ID field and press Ctrl V on the keyboard and hit enter in the sound ID field. You can also click on the little play icon and preview it from here also. Now just scroll down and under the playback, make sure looped is toggled on like so, and make sure playing is also checked. This will keep the music running continuously while your game is active. Finally, just click on the play button at the top to test your game. You should now hear your music playing in the background. And that's it. That's how you add music to your game in Roblox Studio. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.